Hi, I'm Chris Straub from Straub Technologies, and you guys that are circle track racing, you've seen some rules changes in 2025 for what you can run as far as camshafts, lifters, and that. So here at Straub Technologies, Billy Fisher, our head of cylinder head development and engine building, Billy has gone and modified some rockers that we're having made and supplied. So the geometry between the fulcrum and the roller tip. This is for you guys that are running longer valves in these classes. It might be an 8mm valve, might be an 11/32 stem valve, but it's a plus 100, maybe a plus 150, depending on what class that you're running. So what this modified geometry is going to do is it's going to give you a better sweep pattern on the tip of the valve, not going to wear the valve guides out. These are available in 1.5, 1.6, and in 7/16 rocker arm studs and 4/3/8. So for you guys running in any of these classes that have got these new rules, whether it be solid roller or hydraulic roller, you can trust that Straub Technologies has got a rocker for you that's going to give you not only longevity, but the best bang for the buck. Remember, at Straub Technologies, we don't build engines, we build combinations.